Hello, it's your boy Rahim, property investor and an estate agent. Today, I'm going to talk to you about 3 simple habits to create overnight success. Right, once you've used this and implemented it, it will change your life. Number 1, find the good in anything you do in life, guys. Find the good thing about it. Find the good reason why you want to do what you want to do. What motivates you? What makes you wake up at night? What excites you? See the end in mind before you start. Have the picture of what the end result is going to be, and then walk back and get that result. See the positivities about it. See the good thing about what you want to do. See how people would feel about your idea, your knowledge, or your property if you're doing property investment. See yourself doing the works. Getting the contractors in, finishing the work, getting your tenant in, or selling the property. See the end in mind. That motivates you, gets you to where you want to go. And also, if you can attach that with your why, that also keeps you going, because all you could see is the good, amazing things. Don't think of the negative. Don't focus your energy on the negative outcome. Focus your energy on the positive side of it. What would happen? See yourself in 2-3 days or months or years, however long it takes for you to achieve your goal. See yourself achieving it. See the good things, how you've given back to charity, how you've been inspiring your friends, how you've been motivating the community. See that in you, that would get you to where you want to go. Please don't have any negative concept. Don't focus on the negativity. If you focus on the negativity, you would only have bad results. So don't you ever think about negativity when you're focusing in your dream. Number 2, don't blame. Don't blame anyone for anything, right? You have to take responsibility. It's your responsibility and your obligation to be successful. So if anything goes wrong, don't blame your staff, blame your friends, your colleague, or your business partner. Take the responsibility. Say, okay, I was part of this. What can I do to change that mistake? What can I do to stop that from happening again? Don't blame anybody else. Look yourself in the mirror and blame yourself. Say, if you were not part of this, it wouldn't have happened that way. So it's your duty, responsibility, and obligation to make anything you do successful. Right, so do not blame anybody else. When things goes wrong, dust yourself up and carry on. That's how all the successful people I've met, I've talked to, I've been with, have told me. Any individual makes a mistake. We learn from our mistakes and then we move on. That's how we progress and enhance ourselves, enhance our skills and experience. That's how we learn to nurture good, amazing skills. Is by actually learning, not blaming anybody else but ourselves, and learn from it. The third habit would be listen for clues. Listen for clues. Success leave clues, guys. Listen and copy successful people. Find someone who's doing exactly what you want to do and mirror what they're doing. Do exactly that and make it better if possible. Right? If you want to be a fitness instructor, for example, follow someone who's in the fitness business. If you want to be a property investor, follow someone that you admire, someone that mirrors what you are or what you'd like to do, someone who relates to you. Right? They are the people you need to mirror. It's nothing wrong copying people. You can only be successful when you copy people, when you copy and make yourself better. We've been told at university or school that we should not copy. That is an absolute wrong idea. You have to copy to excel. Look for clues. They are like breadcrumbs. If you look for clues, any successful individual you're watching, you're listening to, or you really like, listen to the words that they're saying. See what makes them successful, what makes them tick. What makes them the best they are in what they're doing. The biggest clue is finding clues on yourself as well and strengthening them. For example, go, listen, search up at yourself, know who you are. Look at those clues. What makes you stand out? Right? What makes you a good communicator? Do you have good communication skills? If you are, strengthen them, makes them better. You know, if you are in great shape, brilliant, fantastic, keep going to the gym, get yourself fit so that nothing will take you from it. Excellent rapport building skills. If you are, If you're good in building rapport, continue doing it. Be a good rapport builder. You know, be someone who can talk to people, someone who can bring relationships together, someone who could excel in doing that. So whatever your skill is, whatever your strength is, nurture it and make it better. Don't focus on things that you're not good at. I used to do that. I used to focus on things that I'm not good at. I realized I was wasting my energy. Focus on things that you're really good at. I really hope you've learned something from this short video, and you can take those on board. And I really appreciate your time. My name is Rahim. I'm a property investor and an estate agent.